Hi, today I'm for the fix Xiaomi 13 Lite and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So let's first open the settings and then scroll to the always on display and lock screen. Then tap the always on display section. To activate and turn off this option, we should click on the switcher. If you want to change display items, just to show it always by shadows, so by start and end time, or for 10 seconds after tapping, you should select one from this mode, and also we can turn it off when the battery saver mode is on. You can use your custom theme, so the custom image, to change the color of the date, time, to change the clock position, to show battery and notifications, or to turn off these options, and then just to apply it. Also, you could use one from this available themes, the analog clocks, the signature, the kaleidoscope digital clocks, and the one from these backgrounds. For example, let's use this one. We can change here also the text color. Let's just turn off the notifications, click apply. Now this time it has applied successfully, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.